In today's video, I am going to guide you through the process of canceling your Hostgator domain. Whether you are switching to another provider or simply do not need the domain anymore, the steps are quick and easy. I will walk you through everything in a clear and simple way so you can follow along without any confusion. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click on the sign in button. Enter your account email and password to access your Hostgator dashboard. After you log in, you will land on the main homepage where all of your hosting tools and settings are located. Next, find the menu on the left side of the screen and look for the tab labeled Domains. Click on it and you will see a full list of every domain you have registered under your Hostgator account. Take a moment to locate the domain you want to cancel. Once you find it, look to the right side of that domain line. You will see options that allow you to manage or edit the settings. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Disable. Clicking Disable begins the cancellation process for that domain. Hostgator will usually show a confirmation message asking if you really want to move forward. This step is important because canceling a domain is permanent and the domain will eventually become available for others to purchase. If you are sure you want to cancel, go ahead and confirm the action. Once confirmed, Hostgator will disable the domain on your account. The changes may take a moment to update, but the domain will no longer renew and will no longer be active. It is always a good idea to check your email after completing this step. Hostgator normally sends a confirmation message letting you know the cancellation was successful and that's it. You have now canceled your Hostgator domain. The process is simple once you know where everything is located, and taking a few minutes to follow each step can save you from unwanted renewals or charges in the future. If at any point you run into trouble or have questions about your account, the Hostgator support team is always available to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process easier for you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating helpful content for you. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.